Hello everyone, I know how difficult it is to find the perfect routine that works for you to improve your middle split. But today I'm convinced I have the great routine middle split that can work for you. And the only thing that you're gonna need is 2 yoga blocks. So say that, let's get to it. The first thing that I want you to do right now is just do your middle split. Compare how is your split before and then after this routine. So just without any warm up, without doing anything, we are gonna compare our splits. Are you getting a straight line already? How much do you need to get to that straight line? Now say that, let's get to our first exercise. We are going to do rotation of hips. So we go passe, open and down. And we are going to do 8 each side. This is the underhorse, right? We're going to do 4, 5, 6. Feel your hips really warming up, moving and rotating. We change legs. Excuse me, Ivy. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one, 8. Now we are going to do the opposite motion. We are going inwards and 3, 4, feel it here, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Other leg. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We are going to recover up. We are going to do butterfly position and we are going to hold it for 12 counts. Upright position, push down and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even go forward, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now we are ready for our first exercise. Get 1 yoga block, lay on your tummy, and we are going to open one leg to the side, bend your knee in a 90-degree angle, and your knee is going to be in the same level of your hip. You're going to take your yoga block, you're going to put it under your ankle bone, and we are going to begin by lifting knee out of the ground. And down. And lift, and down. And we are going to do 10 repetitions. Take your time, activate this little muscle here under your glutes, and let's do it. Lift, 1, and down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next exercise, we are going to move the yoga block under the knee. And we are going to lift our foot out of the ground and back. We're going to do 8 repetitions. And again, let's make sure that this movement is happening from the hips flexor. Let's begin now. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, feel your hips moving, 6, 7, one more, 8. And we are going to change sides. Okay, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is super difficult. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. Okay, let's lift foot out of the ground and slow down. 2 and slow down. 3 and down. 4, 5, feel from your hips. 6, 7, and 8. Next exercise, we're gonna do frog position, and we are gonna lift one block under our knee, and we're just gonna hold this position for 15 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. Next exercise, we're going to stretch this same leg. We're going to move the block under our heels, and we are going to increase a stretching. And we are going to hold it again for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, push down, 13, 14, 15, and we change and repeat the 2 exercises to the left. Okay, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure to flex your toes. Make sure to push down. 14, 15. Awesome. We are going to stretch. Adjust your position and let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And one last exercise before you do your full split and you compare the before and after. I'm going to recommend you to get your yoga block, put it under your foot. Hello, kitty. Hello. Sit. Good girl. And we are going to overpass our split from the yoga blocks, so then we can do the comparison between before and after. Hold it there for a few seconds. And now we are ready to test our splits. Right, Ivy? Right? So for more videos like this one, I would recommend you to click right here or check down below in the description of this video. I'm going to leave a ton of links for you on how to improve your ballet technique. So say that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.